Hi, I'm Jason with Ground Force Worldwide Product Support, and today we're here with this 8,000 gallon water truck to go over the Ground Force Water Control System 2.0. In this guide, we're going to briefly go over some primary systems to get you up and running fast. Let's go check it out. The Ground Force Water Control System has two primary components, the encoder itself and the screen. The encoder lets you navigate the on-screen menus, and these menus are water level, indicator if the spray heads are going, which spray head is activated, programs, and water pump status. Before we start spraying water, we're going to want to select a program. In this case, we have program 1 selected, which as you can see is just the water cannon, but we want to have the rear spray heads, so we're going to roll over to program 2. As you can see, it has 2 rear sprays. We will click down on the encoder button to select it, and then in order to start and stop the pump, you hold down the 4 and 5 button for at least 2 seconds. You'll see the pump status turn on, and we will select program 2 again with the encoder, and we're spraying water. To stop spray of water, simply press down on the encoder button again, and water delivery will be stopped. If for any reason you need to pause one side of the truck spraying or not, simply press down on the 4 or 5 button, and it'll pause that side spray. All of these programs are fully customizable. If you wish to select one and customize it, simply scroll to the one you want to customize, select it with the encoder button, press down on the number 2 button. You'll see this highlights the spray heads you can select. Scroll over to each spray head, select it with the encoder, you'll see it highlight white, and then to save, simply press the number 2 button again. To activate the program, just press down on the encoder and you're spraying water. This system also has fully selectable timed and staggered modes available. To select this, we will go to a program, select it with the encoder, select the number 2 button to come into the menus. We will scroll down to this menu to allow you to select them. In this case, we have time selected, but you can also scroll to staggered or always on mode. We're selecting timed, press 1 to back out, and then select 2 to confirm. And then before you activate your program, hit the number 3 button, which will allow you to select your time. In this case, it is 10 seconds on, which is fully customizable all the way up to 40 seconds or down to 5 seconds. In this case, we'll leave it on for 10. Select with the encoder button, and you have your off time. In this case, it's set to 4 seconds. Confirm with the number 3 button, and you can activate your program. Your truck might be equipped with a touchscreen or an 8-button keypad. These keypads allow you to quickly select a spray head. In this case, we can hit the button and turn on a side spray, rear sprays, gravity dump, and the water cannon, and turn them off as well. Each truck also comes equipped with a quick start guide, which has full instructions on how to operate the water control system, as well as contact information and part manuals. If you have any questions about your Ground Force equipment, please contact us at support@gfworldwide.com.